All right, hello. This is Unit 3, Part 2. So, we are doing the unit conversions, and then what you can do is using unit analysis, it will tell you how to convert between different units. So for the first one here, I'll just copy down the answers here. Here we go. This is an approximation, but if you put an equal sign here, it's okay. We're not too picky about that. All right. And then next one is you convert between kilometers per hours to meter per seconds. Sometimes you need to do that in physics. And then I do the rounding. It's 8, 8, 8, 8, all the 8, and then I just round up to 8, 9. Okay, so I hope you get the idea. All right, so I'll just do it one more time. For miles per hours, you put the miles on top, you put the hours in the bottom. Now, you want to have centimeters per minute at the end. All right, so I don't want miles. Let me put miles away. Miles, I can convert it to meters. And then from meters, I can convert it to centimeters. So now I have centimeters on top. And also, I don't want hours in the bottom. I want hours on top. So let's put it on the top. And I can put minutes there. Okay, so I have all the units correct now. Okay, then I'll do the unit analysis. And 1 mile is 1609 meters, 1.609 kilometers is 1609 meters. 1 meters is 100 centimeters. And then like 1 hour is 60 minutes, right? So you check the units. Miles and miles cancel out, meters and meters, leaving a centimeters on top. That's what I want. And then hours and hours cancel out, top and bottom cancel out, and leaving minutes in the bottom. That's what I want. This divide mean per mean in the bottom. So now you just punish all this number here. On top mean you multiply, in the bottom mean you divide, then you get the right answer. Okay? All right, finally. So we move on to square units and cubic units. All right, so the unit can be square. If we're measuring square or you're measuring volume, then you can be cubic. So how can you do the conversion? To do conversion, you need to consider we still use unit analysis, but how to convert millimeters to centimeters? Now you write millimeters to centimeters. That's what we want. Now, however, those are just one dimension, right? We know 1 centimeters is 10 millimeters, but now we want it square. Then what do you do? If you need square, then you square the unit factors, unit conversion factors. You just square this whole thing. Like the unit doesn't match here. This doesn't work because one is square, one doesn't. Now you square everything. When you square it, you square not just the unit, you also square the numbers. So like when you square this, you square the whole thing, which means you square everything in there. So 1 centimeter square is equal to 100 millimeters square. So one centimeter is 10 millimeters, but 1 centimeter square is 100 millimeters square. You need to square the number. You use the same unit conversion, but you square the numbers. This way, the units cancel out, and then you divide by 100. So it's 13.26 centimeters square. This is how you do the unit conversions. All right. So kilometer square to meter square, same thing. Okay, first we write down kilometers and meter. That's the basic unit conversions. Look at the units. Now we need square. So 1 kilometer is 1,000. All right. Now when you square everything, like I didn't square 1 because 1 square is still 1. Then we actually see here 1 kilometer is 1 million meters square. All right. 1 kilometer is 1,000 meters, but 1 kilometer square is 1 million meters square. So by using the conversion factors, but you square them, then you can see the relationship. Okay, so this cancel out and then you multiply this number by a million. Okay, same for centimeters. Okay, centimeters cube multiply by centimeters and decimeters. So if you like check the conversion units. Okay, so one of this is equal to like 1 meters is 100, so it is 1,000. It's like this. And then you cube it. Wow. Okay, so this will be adding 9 zeros to the answer. And it also work with imperial system. Okay, could convert feet to yard. I know 1 yard is 3 feet, but this is only for the units. How about for cubic. Then you need to cube everything. How come I don't put a cube here? Because 1 cube is still 1. Okay, you can put it there. 1 yard cube is equal to 27 feet cube. When you're working with cube, the unit is 1 yard cube is 27. Okay, so from here, this one is 5.4 divided by 27 is 0.2 yard cube. Okay, so when you work with square units and cubic unit, you just square it and cube it. And then same for like this kind of measurement, right? Meters to inches. So 1 inches is 2.54 centimeters, so it's 0.0254 meters. But you can have a conversion in between. So let's do the following. Okay, so let's change meter to centimeters and then centimeters to inches. 1 inch is 2.54, 1 centimeter, 1 meters is 100 centimeters. But then now this is square, so you square everything. So you square everything. Don't forget to square everything. So from here to 2 meters square, you multiply by 100 square, multiply by 10,000, and then divide by 2.54 square. Then you get the answer, okay? You do the unit analysis, that's the unit you want, and that's what you get. All right, finally, oh, is this the typo? Meters cubed to liter. What interesting is, let's convert this, right? 1 is 100, and you can cube it. What interesting is, 1 centimeter cube is same as 1 milliliter. That's something that you need to know. Okay, 1 centimeters cube is same as 1 millimeter. So if you make a cube which measure 1 centimeters on which side, the volume here is 1 milliliter. 1 milliliter. So by doing this, and then like 1,000 millimeter is 1 liter. So by doing this conversion, you can get from meters cubed to liter. Okay, so this is just extra common knowledge I just added here. Okay, so that's it. So this is the lesson today. All right, so this lesson, I'm just doing a lot of unit analysis. All these number are from the formula sheet. You don't need to memorize that. Just print out the formula sheets and then converting between different units, and then you try the homework here. All right, well done, and enjoy the summer and do some work when you have time. See you. Bye.